What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. Today real quick I want to share with you guys one of the product I received from a brand called Cystereo. So Cystereo was nice enough to send one of their Cystereo Fusion true wireless earbuds. These are Bluetooth earbuds. So basically I can test and share with you guys my thoughts. I've been testing these for almost 4 days now. These earbuds are pretty cheap. You can pick up these earbuds for around $49 from Amazon. Also, these come with IPX7, so these are waterproof. Now, I can take these earbuds to gym for working out. If I sweat, I don't have to worry about damaging these earbuds. So, today real quick, let me just do a quick unboxing for you guys and basically show you guys what these earbuds comes with. And after that, we'll talk about the sound quality. And I did compare these earbuds with my Apple earpods right here. As you guys know, I personally use Apple earpods for my everyday work and entertaining purpose. And I'll read you guys a couple of the specs, really important. Now, here you guys can see showing how to set up your earbuds. Okay, you need to charge the earbuds for the first time, and basically showing you how to pair these earbuds with your phone. And then right in the middle, you guys can see touch gesture. Now we'll talk about the touch gesture later. Let's look at what these earbuds comes with. All right, so here you guys can see on the top, we have spare ear tips right here. Currently, I think the medium one is installed. We have on the top large and small ear tips. And then we have a charging case right here. And we have the earbuds right here. So let me pull the charging case out and the earbuds out. Now, I did test these earbuds already. I did charge the case already. I put everything back in the box for you guys so I can show you guys what these earbuds comes with. So you guys can see the earbuds right here. So there is not actually too many things on the earbud. The LED ring, and then Cystereo logo, and then microphone right here. That's about it. And then inside here, you guys can see you have the ear tip, and then the charging connection right here. Okay, simple as that. And now let's look at the case. Now, one thing I want to talk about this case, because I already dropped this case like 2 times already. This case is really slippery, and I I wish this case was like matte black, you know, not all that shiny, because you can easily drop this case. Now, top in the case, you guys can see there is a Cystereo logo right here, and then we have USB-C charging port right here. So you guys can see the case have 4 LED indicators. So 1 LED indicator mean you have 25% charge, 2 mean 50% charge, 3 mean 75% charge, and 4 mean 100% charge. Now let me open the case real quick. So here is inside the case. All right, what else we have inside? Those come with USB-C cable. Let's look at what else we have. We have a user manual right here. So these earbuds comes with Qualcomm apt-x chip. So currently Qualcomm apt-x chip have very good sound quality, and also comes with Bluetooth 5.0. Does come with 6mm Garfin drivers. And I told you guys IPX7 waterproof. So let's talk about battery and charge. So this case comes with 350 mAh battery. If you fully charge this case, you will get around 26 hours. So you can literally charge these earbuds at least 3 or 4 times. You can fully charge this. Now, if you fully charge these earbuds, then you will get 6 hours. Now, if your earbuds battery dies, you can put these earbuds in the case and you can charge for 10 minutes and you will get about 2 hours. So that's really, really good. All right, and built-in microphone with CVC 8.0 noise reduction technology. So basically, this earbuds have like CVC 8 noise reduction technology built in. So whenever you making a phone call, what will basically do, it will just reduce the background noise. So you can have like a clear phone call. Okay, so that's really nice. Now I personally use Apple earbuds right here, and I've been using these earbuds for almost 1.5 years right now, and I'm really happy with these earbuds. Now I compare these earbuds with these earbuds, and I was surprised with the sound quality I got with these earbuds. These earbuds have very good bass. Okay, these earbuds are loud, sound is really good compared to my Apple earbuds. Like, I can tell you this much, music wise, okay, sound wise, these earbuds are better than my Apple earpods. Now let's talk about microphone. So Apple earpod definitely have better microphone, okay, definitely sound better. Now these are okay for phone calls and stuff, but not as good as Apple earpods. Good. Now let me put these earbuds in my ear so you guys can see. So currently I have medium ear tips on, okay, and you guys can see the fitment is pretty good. Okay, now let me talk about the gestures real quick. So if we tap on the right earbuds 2 times, the volume will go up. If we tap on the left earbuds 2 times, the volume will go down. And then if we tap once on the any earbuds, basically play and pause music. And then if you just want to fast forward the track, you can actually hold right side one for 2 seconds. We'll go to the next track. And if you hold the left one for 2 seconds, basically we'll go back to like previous track. And then for phone call, for accepting phone call, you just have to tap once and you can accept the phone call. And if you hold twice, then it will decline the phone call. You can easily pair these earbuds with your phone. Simply just go to your phone Bluetooth, right here, and then you can just tap on Fusion, and you guys can see my one is already connected right now. And then you can actually start playing music. Now overall guys, I personally think these earbuds are pretty good for $49. Like, you don't get ANC, so you don't get noise cancelling like the DivePlay ANC Shield Pro comes with. But then again, DivePlay ANC Shield Pro costs more, you know, compared to these. For $49, definitely worth it for gym, you know, working out, you know, maybe if you're out in like light rain and stuff, you should be fine. And the sound quality is pretty good. Alright guys, that should be it. Let me know what you guys think. There'll be a link in the video description, don't forget to check out. And if you guys are watching me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. See you guys next one. Peace.